以及乔治猪两姐弟今天也来到了现场。That is so cute.
Hello, Georgie.
哇 ，Hello，Hello，Hello，乔治猪，谢谢。哇，你们真的好可爱哦。好，现在呢可以请我们佩佩猪 and Stuart and George, may you look at the camera in front. 好，谢谢。OK 吗？各位媒体朋友们，有什么需要捕捉的吗？还有哪边没有捕捉到的吗？ OK， 谢谢各位媒体朋友们。那接下来呢，我们
Did you kill the time during quarantine time in Taiwan?
I read a lot of books. I did some work. I looked a lot on the internet about Taiwan, where I can go and visit. Yeah, that's pretty much work and reading.
What's your favorite thing? What do you like to do during the rainy days?
Okay. Well, much like Peppa the Pig, I like to jump in muddy puddles on a rainy day. Goes on a journey and learns how to make the best out of a rainy day with the help of teamwork, her friends, and her family. Best of all, it finishes in a huge musical celebration finale with a big Peppa Pig muddy puddle splash. The show is packed full of singing, dancing, fun, laughter, audience participation, and lots of Peppa Pig heart.